Welcome to Sometime 3. Today we're working with page 34 and today's lesson is called Fractions 31. Look at this graph. Along the top it says numerators. Let's look at the first blue square. That is the same as 1 over 1. But how do we know that? Let's write the numerators along the top row. So above the blue square, write 1, and then write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, all the way along the row. So now we filled in the numerators. But this blue square is the same as 1 over 1. So now we have to fill in the denominators. So next to the blue square, write 1 in the first column. And fill in the first column all the way down. So now you can see that 1 over 1 is the same as 2 over 2, is the same as 3 over 3, is the same as 4 over 4. They are equivalent fractions and they're all colored the same way. The next square in the first column is green. Can you see a green square under the blue square? That's the same as 1 over 2. Now the equivalent fraction of 1 over 2 is 2 over 4. So let's fill in 2 over 4 with the same color. So we see that 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4. Is the same as 3 over 6, is the same as 4 over 8. You see how this works? You try to fill in all the equivalent fractions in the same color. Let's do one more together. 1 over 3. Let's color that yellow. What's an equivalent of 1 over 3? Well, if we multiply 1 by 2, we get 2. If we multiply 3 by 2, we get 6. So 2 over 6 must be an equivalent fraction for 1 over 3. So let's color that square yellow too. Now then, if we multiply 1 by 3, we get 3. And if we multiply 3 by 3, we get 9. So 1 over 3 and 2 over 6 are the same as 3 over 9. Now let's look at a quarter. We write a quarter like this, 1 over 4. Which square shall we fill in? Okay, it's column number 1, row number 4. Let's color that one red. 1 quarter, 1 over 4. Now let's look at the equivalent fraction. If we multiply 1 by 2, we get 2. So in the second column, we know we're going to find an equivalent fraction. If we multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. So go down the first column till you get 8. Go across the second column. Where the column and the row meet, that's where we'll have our next red box. So 1 over 4 is the same as 2 over 8 because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Try and fill in this graph. You'll find it lots of fun. Bye for now.